Hey guys, good morning. This is Zawal here, and you are watching KD Architect. So, welcome to KD Architect. So, today in this video, I'll talk about filter tool in the Revit. So, in this video, I'll be creating the filter, and it will be rule based filter in the view template. So, I'll create the filter in the view template so it will applicable to all floor plan elevation or section wherever you applied the view template. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, over here we have floor plan, and if you see, we have four elevation views over here. And let me go to over here in the sheets. We have floor plan sheets and we have elevation sheets. Okay, now let me close this view. Okay, that's fine, and let me use the tile view. Now, if you see, we have over here floor plan sheet and over here we have elevation sheet. So if you see, we have four elevations and I have placed all four elevation on the sheets. So this is the condition. Now, sometimes you work on the live projects and you have used elevation views, and sometimes you need to create another elevation views, but you don't want those elevation, unused elevation in the documentation. So in that case, you can use the filter. So I'll show you the step-by-step process to create the filter. Okay. So first of all, let me create some elevations. So this elevation will be unused over here. So let me create the elevation first of all in the view. Let me create the elevation view. So over here, I will select the elevation. Okay. Now let me create one elevation over here, one elevation like this way. Okay, over here I'm randomly placing the elevation views. So just I'm explaining you the concept. Okay, so okay, that's fine. Now if you see over here, we have placed four elevations, and in the floor plan you can identify we have placed elevation. I mean, it's a used elevation in the documentation. If you see, this one is okay. And for the unused elevation over here, if you see, we haven't any tag or any value in the symbol. Okay. So if you see, we have flow plans. So in the actual project, you have multiple sheets and you have applied the uh, template or view template to all flow plans. And it is a tedious method when you hide the all elevation manually. So instead of doing that, you should use the filter. So to create the filter, first of all, we'll rename over here elevation view. So from the any floor plan, we'll select the elevation view, and over here we'll assign the just we are adding the let's say unused like this way UE. That's fine. Okay. Let me use the capital U and E, unused elevation. Okay, that's fine. UE, that's fine. Now for the second unused elevation, we'll also add a similar text. Let's say UE. And for the last one, we'll do same process. Over here, let's add UE. Okay, that's fine. Now we'll create the filter. So first of all, over here we have applied the template. So we'll create the filter in the view template. So select the view and go to the over here view template. Now over here in the architectural plan template, we'll go over here in the edit. Now over here at the last you will find a filter. So if you see over here, we have no any active filters over here. So we'll create one. So click on the add, and now over here, if you see, we are creating rule based filter. So now we'll create edit slash over here new. Now over here select on this icon to create the new filter, and we'll give the over here name. Let's say unused elevation UE. That's fine. You can give the name as per your requirement. So for now I am keeping the UE and click on the OK. Now we are creating the filter for the elevation. So we'll select the category over here, elevation. So just check and E. So over here, just I am sharing one trick to find the any category. So first of all, if you see, let me search the elevation. Okay. So okay, need to do it again. Go to edit over here. We'll create the unused elevation filter. Click on the OK. And now, if you want to search the elevation, just select any one category and press the E for elevation. So if you see, you will go nearby elevation. So just check. Like this way, you can search easily any category. Now, over here we have selected elevation, and now in the rules over here, if you see, we have filter rules. Now over here we have selected elevation category, and now here we'll apply the rule. Okay, so first of all, for the which thing you need to apply the rule, for that we'll use over here view name. And now over here we'll select, let me select and width. Okay, that's fine. Because if you remember, we have given the name for the views. At the end, we have added the name unused elevations UE. So for that purpose, we have selected and width. Over here, we have selected condition, view name, and elevation. Now over here, we'll add the value. Now UE. Now, what is the meaning of this rule? That means the elevation views which are ending with UE value. So this filter will select the elevations based on this condition. Now let me click on the OK. Now, if you see, we have a UE filter over here and click on the OK. And now we'll add the filter. Select the filter and click on the OK. Now, if you see, we have filter over here. Now, over here, we have checked the visibility and click on the OK. Again, click on the OK. So, if you see, यहाँ पे जो elevations है वो hide नहीं हुए because we have uh, uh, checked the visibility option. So now we'll uncheck the visibility option. Go to edit and go to filters, and now just do uncheck and click on the OK and apply. So if you see, जितने भी unused elevation थे वो सारे यहाँ पे hide हो गए हैं and click on the OK. So if you see in the all floor plans where we applied the same view template, so from all floor plan views, we have successfully hide the unused elevations. So this is the process by which you can create the different filter rule based filters as per your requirement, as per your condition. So this is the process how you create the filters. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video, and wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.